Hi, I'm Pat from serviceQ. I'm here to talk about your sump pump. Sump pumps move accumulated water from the exterior perimeter of your home and then pushes it outside to your discharge, which drains it into your storm pond. This keeps your basement dry and safe. Your sump pump will be located in the basement of your home in the mechanical area. Your sump pump will have a cover with power cords plugged into the designated outlet. The cords are labeled by your serviceQ representative as seen here. Simply unplug the unit, separate the motor cord from the power cord, and plug the motor cord back into the outlet. As you plug in the motor power cord, you will hear a distinct sound of the motor running. Testing your sump pump regularly is crucial to ensure it's functioning properly. For inquiries, please reach out to serviceQ at 780-490-2546 or follow us on Instagram at serviceQEDM.